I left that nigga on red, cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that rash and LeBron jacket.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know me. And today I'm going to be doing a look here for you guys with the Daisy Marquez palette. Once again, I just recently posted a video me doing a tutorial with this palette, and it's so pretty and bomb. I really did a look that was green for St. Patrick's Day, so I used a lot of the green shades on this palette. So today I'm going to be doing a look creating reds. A little bit of red and yellow. You know, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if you guys want to see what I am going to be doing today, make sure then just to keep on watching. Also subscribe and give me a big thumbs up before you leave this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And enough about me, let's get to it.
Busca que busca de mi calor. Whoa. No, no.
Hey loves, today I'm going to be using the Daisy Marquez palette by BH. You guys already know I use this palette, it's so bomb. So I'm going to be using the shade called Flower. It is a yellow shade. It's so pretty and bomb as fuck and not streaky at all. I really love this shade so much. I'm going to be placing this all over my eyelid. This is going to be like my transition shade. So just make sure you place it all over the eye because that's what we're going for. And I am going to be trying to build this shade as bright as I could. And it's really bomb. And this is a shade that Daisy dedicated to us. So that's why I'm using it. And it's so pretty, guys. It's really pretty. And I did go in and blend. The next shade I'm using is called Karma. It is like a pink, red, orange. I really don't know what color this shade is or this like eyeshadow is, but it's really pretty, guys. And I'm just gonna be placing this on my crease and just be building that up with wiper motions. So that's basically what I'm gonna be doing, just trying to apply as much as I could and just try not to put it up too high because we do want to keep it low. And we're gonna go back in with Flower, the yellow shade in the palette, and we're going to be placing it on top again just to kind of blend those two shades in together and so we don't lose the yellow shade as well. And we're going to go back in with my Morphe 576 brush and we're just going to be blending these two shades together. The next shade I'm using is called Passion Fruit, and we're just going to be using that in the outer parts of the eye and just kind of just really build it right there. And we're gonna go back in with my brush and just gonna be blending all the shades in together so it don't look too streaky. We're just trying to make them look nice and blended. So I did go in and blend it. The concealer I'm using is the Glamaflock concealer in shade light, and we're just gonna be cutting my crease like I normally would. And sorry guys, I cannot speak today for some reason, but yeah. The shade I'm using is called Bittersweet and Passion Fruit. I'm going to be mixing those two shades and just reapplying it on my crease just to make it brighter and more clean. And then I am going to go back in with a blending brush and I'm just going to be blending it out because we don't want it to look too thick right there because we just applied it. So we just want to go back in with the blending brush and just blend everything nice and neat. This is my favorite shade out of the palette. It's called Icy, and I'm going to be placing this inside my crease just like that. It's so bright. If you wet it, it's like so freaking bomb as fuck. So yeah, if you guys want me to create another Daisy Marquez look with this palette, let me know down below because I would love to make another video with this palette. So just let me know because this is the second one I have done. If you haven't watched my first one, I'll be linking it down below in the description box. And I'm also going to be adding Icy to the brow bone. And as a next clip, I think you guys will see that I applied Flower in the inner corner and I took it off. So that's why I didn't tell you guys. But yeah, now we're just going to be applying some lashes. And these are just kind of long wavy lashes. They're not too dramatic or thick, so they're just perfect for this look. And like I said, I applied flour in the inner corner. I really didn't like it, so I went back in with icy and I applied it to the inner corners of my eyes just to make this look pop and looks way much better. And honestly, it did, and I really loved it. The next shade I'm using is called Matter. It is a black, and I'm going to be placing this in the bottom of my lash line just to complete this look. And I'm going to be doing my face off camera. Now I'm going back in with my lips. Well, not going back in with my lips, but I'm starting with my lips. And I'm using this NYX like butter lip gloss in chocolate. And it's so bomb. And it just complements this look because it's not too dramatic.
Nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD.
So this is the end of the look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below. I'm gonna having a lot more tutorials on this palette because girl, it's fucking bomb. But yeah, I created this look right here and it's so cute, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.